It's important to understand really what regenerative medicine is. And I like to say that biocellular technology really is a game changer in all of medicine, really. There's no greater medical technology on the horizon. And really, as I did a bunch, I used to have a large research group that in my office where we did a bunch of pharma trials. All the pharma trials end up being biologics. So you don't see a lot of drugs going to market as much anymore as you do the injectables. I love this report. It came out almost 20 years ago now, but basically it was this, the U.S. Department of Human Services put out a report 2020, a new vision for what regenerative medicine is for the future. And they describe regenerative medicine as the next evolution of medical therapies, and that virtually any disease could be treated. The results from malfunctioning tissue or damaged tissue could be cured through regenerative technology. It's bringing together almost every field of science, as you'll see in a second. And basically, the sum of it all is biocellular therapy. And so we're kind of moving from a realm of less drugs and less surgery, more gene therapy, more cell-based therapy. And a real crossroads are traditional diet, exercise, medication, supplements, hormone replacement, surgery. It's being replaced by regenerative medicine. We're starting to grow organs in the lab. We're starting to use more biologics. We see more gene therapy, exosomal therapy, and then now also cell-based therapy. And stem cells are becoming a large part of that, including stem cells from fat.